Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. A lot of persons that have been rejecting Eastern Security Network and insisting that the Southeastern governor should float their own regional security network as against the one that was done by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for Old Eastern region. Well, what most people do not know is that what a lot of persons have been thinking is more of external pressure than internal pressure. What people don't know is about what is going on in the internal caucus meeting that has been going on, and it is really affecting a lot. If you watch today, they will say they're about to launch, and tomorrow they'll say they're actually deliberating on the uniforms and all that. It has been on and on. But at the moment, you're going to find out why the heavy delays and what is causing it really, the internal fracas that is hidden from the media space. But before we go into the news proper, to find out what it is that is going on amongst the southeastern politicians towards enacting their southeastern regional security outfit as against ESN. Would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, so much has been said about the alleged delay of the Southeast governors to set up a regional security outfit to contain rising insecurity in the zone. Critics say they created the vacuum that enabled the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) to establish its security outfit called the Eastern Security Network (ESN), thus creating unnecessary tension and loss of lives. They also claim governors were unable to do what their counterparts in the Southwest have done because of personal or political interest. What such critics don't know is that the delay may have been because of personal disagreement more than suspected external pressure on them. It was learnt, for instance, that at one recent meeting in Enugu, two governors sharply disagreed over the type of security outfit that would be good for the zone. Sources say one of them was so upset with the idea the other advanced that he confronted him personally as the two made to leave the venue of the meeting. The other governor, also angry at his colleagues' expressed views, did not hide his feelings. As our source puts it, it was a bitter encounter. Their Excellencies exchanged very hot words before they left. I cannot tell you what they said to each other, but it amounted to shouting at one another. It was all about the different views on the type of regional security outfit that would serve our area better, the source said. While one wanted something novel, the other said what he had in his state was working and should be adopted by all in the region. But now that the General Obi Umahi, retired leader of the Southeast Security Committee, has said all is set to flag off the much awaited regional security outfit, it remains to be seen if the governors have fully resolved their differences. Wow, quite a lot is being said online concerning it. Some persons have started talking. Some persons are even stylishly giving us hints that the two governors may likely be some persons, and they have their reasons. I'm going to read like 2 or 3 comments. They'll look at this very critically as well. This one here is saying ESN, that's Eastern Security Network, have come to stay. Nobody can stop it. This one here says, I knew it's going to be David Umahi and Ogwani because Dave today parade himself as Onyisi. But let's be sincere, Onyisi in Igbo language means the head. But let us be sincere with what this young man just said as Onyisi. But he's indeed the Onyisi of Southeastern Governors Forum. He's the chairperson, he's the president of Southeastern Governors Forum. So if you call him Onyisi, you're actually not far away from the truth. So he has to parade himself as Onyisi. That's, to me, I guess he's just trying to lay claim to the fact that they have nominated him and he's acting according to his position. This one here is saying we have ESN already. The best you people will now is to find a way. Okay, the best you people need to do now is to find a way to fine tune Eastern Security Network to work more better. If not, alas, Eastern Security Network has come to stay because you people have a disappointment. Can we trust Uzodima with Fulani? All right, these are actually personal opinions, not my opinion, but personal opinions. Okay, but let's look at this very critically. Um, in issues like this, when it comes to issue of insecurity or security, a lot needs to be dialogued. Okay, because if you get it wrong at the foundation, the whole thing is going to be a flop. And if you're calling it instance, if you're calling it a security network, a regional security network, all hands and all heads and everything needs to be on deck. But the question also is, while you are also brainstorming, looking at logistics, you gotta expedite. Now, hence the creation of Eastern Security Network. Now, imagine, we're just imagining, imagine now that there was no Eastern Security Network, and this whole issue of what is going on in Southwest with Sunday Igboho or Sunday Adeyemo had done in Southwest, and the fact that what is presently rather still going on in Ogun State in Southwest is a pointer, despite the fact that there's Amotekun all right in the Southwest. Although I think the Ogun version is about to kick off. Okay, but despite it all, they're still having it rough to contend with the criminal headsmen in the bushes. They're having it really rough. Now imagine there is none at all in Southeast. You can imagine what would have befallen a lot of Southeasterners in their farmlands, in the forests. But ESN had Eastern Security Network had actually, fill in that gap while they are still awaiting modalities and not so things like this. You hasten up on it while you have created it. You keep fine tuning it, all right. You keep fine tuning, but as it is right now, I feel this personal opinion now. I feel that the people have already accepted Eastern Security Network, and they keep bringing out, churning out videos upon videos on what they have been doing in the bushes and how they have been trying to clear up the bushes for Southeasterners to be able to have, peace and security in the land. So I don't know how they're going to do, because there's sometimes when delay can be dangerous. This is a case of delay being dangerous, because right now another has occupied that position. It was not left for the Southeastern governors to be able to convince the people that what they have is for real. I don't know how they're going to dislodge the ESN eventually, but that's what we'll wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section.